How to buy Illuvium token. This token came under the symbol of ILV. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account. As you can see, they have a community here. Go and join their community on X account. So this token is available on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, to be able to buy it, just copy the token address from here. It's under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now start in the network, select the Ethereum as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token ILV. Now after that, click on plus to be able to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your token. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. Now after that, click on swap, switch from here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. Now you can increase that amount and you can decrease it also. So as you can see, if you buy $10,000, as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now after that, it's simple, just click on buy and you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Illuvium token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.